Reliable AC and Heating, Inc. has been serving Sarasota, Manatee, and Pinellas counties for over 15 years. We offer low-priced service contracts, 24-hour emergency service, 1-year interest-free financing for qualified buyers, and a 10-year parts and labor warranty on all installations for residential and commercial clients. For ultraviolet lighting systems, pool heat pump service and repair, duct cleaning, and more, we are pros who can get the job done. Call 941-752-7277 in Bradenton, 941-953-2077 in Sarasota, or 727-866-6400 in Pinellas counties, or visit reliableacandheatinginc.com.